AI क्या क्या कर सकता है। नाउ AI क्या नहीं है, सो AI जो हम समझते हैं कि ये कोई AI मैजिक नहीं है, ठीक है। AI is a combination of different algorithms, different mathematics. It has been involved, different calculations are being involved, जिससे ये AI मशीन बनी है। AI is not an automation। कहीं पे भी जब हम ऑटोमेशन देखते हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्मार्ट वॉशिंग मशीन हो गया, स्मार्ट टीवी हो गया, स्मार्ट AC हो गया, जहाँ पे भी ऑटोमेशन देखते हैं तो वो AI नहीं है। AI तब होता है जब AI डिसीजन ले सकता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई एम लिविंग द रूम, द मशीन इज ऑटोमेटिकली गेटिंग ऑफ, so that is said to be the AI driven machine. There are the smart machines which can be said as AI, but when they are able to take the decision between yes or no, what they have to do, what they have not to do, means like a human being. So AI is not the automation. Wherever you see the automation, वो वहाँ पे AI नहीं है जब तक कि डिसीजन ना हो रहा। AI कोई मैजिक नहीं है, AI एक सिंगल एंटिटी नहीं है। it is a synchronization of different algorithms, different mathematics, operations, different data, all are mixed together to make an AI. It's not just a magic, it's all the way the mathematical calculations which is AI. Now AI don't have emotion. AI is not having emotions, like means AI can mimic the human. AI human की तरह काम तो करता है, human की तरह mimic तो कर सकता है, but AI cannot sympathize और emphasize that human being. जैसे एक human being दूसरे के emotion को समझ जाता है, वैसे AI नहीं समझ सकता till the time you are not clearing the thought. Like if I am clearing the thought to Alexa that Alexa, I am sad, please play sad song. So Alexa is now clear about the keyword sad. Now Alexa is going to play keyword with the sad and she will play sad. It will play sad songs. So same way you have to clear the keywords. AI is just based on data. AI is based on data. It is not biased by the AI is biased by the data, not biased by the human emotions. AI can work, it can mimic as human being, but it is not a human being, right? So I hope it is clear कि AI क्या कर सकता है और AI क्या है और क्या नहीं है। AI एक मशीन है जो कि ह्यूमन की तरह काम कर सकता है, बट AI ह्यूमन बीइंग नहीं है। AI is biased only by the data which we provide. If you clear the things, if you clear the fact what it is, then AI will work fine for you. If you are not clearing the fact, then AI is not going to work fine for you, then it is just a machine for you, right? I hope this information was useful, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Till the time, stay safe and happy. Enjoy your holidays. Thank you.